Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2018 GMC Sierra. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. This strikingly handsome Sierra delivers full-size pickup strength and plenty of modern comfort and convenience. From its impressive towing and hauling capacity to its quiet, spacious cabin and tech-savvy connectivity, this is the truck built for today's lifestyle. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, fog lamps, electronic stability control, locking limited slip differential, intermittent wipers, trip computer, power windows, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Stop dreaming and start living. This handsome Sierra won't last long. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.